Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find the average on Google Sheets. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to find the average in Google Sheets. We would like to use this method, which is using the average function. So go to Google Sheets and open the desired spreadsheet, which I have here. I want to use this sheet in here. Then click on the cell where you want the average to appear. So I have this table here that's 20, 21, 17, 40, and I want all my results to appear in cell C or column C. So the next thing you have to do is to enter the average function. Here's what you're going to type. Type the equal sign and type the average function and open your parentheses. Once you open your parentheses, you either click and drag to select the range of cells you want to average, or you can alternatively you manually type the range after. So here's the range. My range would be A and B. So I'm just going to do A1 and give a space and column and B1 and close my parentheses. So once you're done, you close the formula with the closing parentheses and press enter on your keyboard, and you see that the average is 30. That's it. So the average of the selected cells will appear in the cell you chose. Now, for me to get the average for row 2 and row 3, I don't have to go through that process manually. Let's go ahead and just put in equals average, and just like I did for the first one, I can just go ahead and autofill. And how do I autofill? Here where you have this small blue circle and you have this plus icon that's just displayed there, just drag it down to that column and you see that the average has been automatically provided for rows 1, rows 2, and rows 3. So these are the steps that you can take. So you can alternatively use the status bar, which is like the quick view. So just go ahead and click and drag the select the cells that you want to find the average. And after selecting the cells, look at the bottom right corner of the Google Sheet. The status bar will show the average of the selected cells along with other statistics like the sum, count, or etc. Okay, so if the average is not displayed, click on the small arrow next to the status bar and choose average from the drop down, and this is the quick view. This is what it's like for you. Yeah, so that's pretty much what it's like for you. So now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.